not be late for class. You have 4 minutes to get to class, and you want to be in your seat by the time the late bell rings.
Awesome, thanks. I got it.
To succeed in school, you can study with friends or do your homework with them. So instead of being alone, or if you don't get something, you can ask them and they'll help you.
Best in school.
You gotta be on time
And do your homework
and study
so you can get good grades.
and listen to the teacher even though it's not that interesting sometimes.
And don't forget to try out some of those wildcat sports like flag football,
Or volleyball,
basketball,
soccer,
and don't forget to participate like
dressing down.
or raising your hand in class. And don't forget what kind of day it is.
It's a great day to be a wildcat!